Hi, giant chicken anyone? This video shows part 3 of a 4-part series showing an Isan Riders group ride from Pak Chong in the Isan to Hat Yai, which is in Songkhla Province of Thailand. Day 6 begins with Chumphon to Surat Thani. Again, we have these impressive dome mountains in the distance there, usually mark the border. And here we're just pulling into a little town. We're going to visit a silk factory and shop. Who's playing the Bee Gees? Is that one of us? That's loud. How deep is his love? That's what I need to know. I really need to know.
This is buy a present for your favourite lady, please. Come take a look.
Well, failing that, your wife. So this is the Phum Riang silk factory and shop in Surat Thani. Very interesting. You can get to see the workings and the operation of the weaving machines there. And obviously you can sample the product. And day 6 destination was Margarita Beach Resort at Kanom in Surat Thani. Another relaxing evening, and then day 7 we go from Kanom to Songkhla. Now we have this Kanom Sichon road. This is a fantastic road. Not only is the surface smooth as, but it's kind of like a roller coaster. It's twisty with bends and dips and all sorts of stuff. Hugs the coastline, so you get some nice views. So I've left quite a bit of this road in because it's an interesting road and it's one that people might want to try. And so you get giving you a reasonable sample of it here. The film is speeded up at 1.5 normal speed, so that's why it might look a little bit jerky, but that's just basically to save time. I like to keep these videos to about 5 minutes. But for me, I just can't believe the quality of the road surface. The fact there's just no potholes, cracks, it's well maintained, it's a beautiful little road. Thoroughly recommend it. So now we arrive at the chickens. The giant chicken statues are for sale at Wat Chedi Ai Khai in Thailand. There's offerings to the boy spirit Ai Khai, who was believed to be the guardian of the temple. Initially live fighting cocks were offered, but to prevent the problem of manure, people began offering stucco chickens instead. The size of a chicken represents the scale of the good fortune received, with larger statues signifying greater blessings for events like lottery wins. So in this temple, there are quite a lot of offerings, such as those chickens and toys, transformers and various things. So it sort of explains some of the quite strange architecture and statuary that's around. This is the boy, Ai Khai, the statue. And we reach our destination of Songkhla, and we stay in this fabulous little hotel, the Antique Hotel. And from here we leave tomorrow for the bike party in Hat Yai. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.